new way of doing things. You see the computer's on. It wasn't on when you, but it wasn't on a few minutes ago because basically, see, Chappie decided to, he decided to become an investigator of the computer, and he went over and he stood on top of the computer and his front paws up on the computer. Looked like the rabbit was surfing for porn. And when as soon as he saw it on the screen, he's like, he's trying to sniff the fucking screen, and they took off over to me. And then he comes up and, well, you saw him. That was right after he did that. To the camera, people, are you seeing this? Yeah, that's right. Rip up my snotty Kleenex! You're hilarious, Jeff.